Hello and welcome back to Crafty Magic Arts. So the other day I was looking at Pinkie Pie and she's sad. Like, she's really sad. Like, there was a little bit of tears. There was bawling. Despite that painted on face, she was putting up a good front, but she was legitimately sad and I knew I needed to do something. So I went to Google and started looking for a confetti cannon. But there's nothing to be found, despite my best efforts. I could not find the right confetti cannon for Pinkie Pie. So I went into Blender and I made it myself. Don't be fooled by how quick this showed up. It did take me quite a while to actually sculpt it in Blender, but it looks really good and it's exactly what I'd like. If you're interested in this, please let me know. Maybe I'll throw it onto Thingiverse. With it being all done, now I need to actually export it. Here we're going into the lychee slicer and we are chopping her up to make sure it's ready for printing. First, I gotta make sure I have good supports. These are the supports I put for this piece. I need to make sure it was inside the cannon as well as outside. And they did appear to work, actually. Here is all the layers that needs to go into the 3D print, and now it's time for the export. We are going to my Anycubic resin printer and printing it out using water washable resin, and it worked the first time. That is a rare treat, actually getting it to work the first try. And here it is fully printed, nice and hard and cured, but it didn't stand up on its own, so I made off camera this tiny little support thing using multiple plastic. And now Pinkie Pie has her cannon. Yay! She's so happy. It does need to get painted, so let's get going on that. I did not record much of this process, and I don't know why, but here it is fully painted, including the beautiful flowers on the wheels, as well as a little stand holding it up. And now it's time to actually coat it with something protective, so ModPodge hard coat it is. And here it is mostly on the wheels. To be honest, I already kind of did that with the blue. As you can see, it's slightly shimmery, and that was some iridescent pigment mixed with ModPodge, and that worked really well. So here it is fully done. Pinkie Pie no longer has just a painted smile. She is excited. And there's Pinkie Pie all complete with her new cannon. She looks really good with it, and I think she actually wants to try it out. There it goes, and again, okay, and again, okay, Pinkie Pie, that's enough. I think we've done it again. Pinkie Pie. Okay, good. Alright, be sure to let me know what you think about this video, and be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you like videos like this, I have a few more in the works that are similar to this, and I'm looking forward to sharing them with you. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Bye!